Alright guys, so you can see the bar, super bright. We don't have it positioned where we want it yet. We're gonna have it right above our other lights. But you guys get an idea. We drop it down to the red. You can see it's more pink, I would say, than any other color. Hello my friends, welcome. Today we are reviewing some AUXBEAM products, or AUXBEAM, AUXBEAM, you know, right here guys. So let's go ahead and do some unboxing, do some testing. Hey guys, today we are reviewing the AUXBEAM. This is their beautiful light bar. It is stunning. Look at all these LEDs in here. It is definitely stunning. We're gonna be adding it to our little Jeep here. Pretty basic, pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and set everything up. We're gonna give a quick rundown for you guys. Always test everything before you make anything permanent. But basically, in short, red connects to the positive, black connects to the negative. You have your your fuse inside here. So if you need to replace it, and what happens is your fuse will blow first before it ruins your light bar if there's any surge or any issue. You also connect, which it shows you guys here. This is another fuse as well. You got your plug, on-off switch. Your on-off switch you can run and mount inside your vehicle. And we'll leave that up to you guys. Double-sided tape on here, you peel this white off and then stick this wherever you want. Pretty basic, pretty simple to do. If you guys know electrical, we would show you how to hook it up, but there's a lot of people that cut corners and make mistakes, and then they're like, oh, that guy, he didn't do it right, or he didn't tell me, and I don't want anything happening to your vehicle. We've had over 15 vehicles, been working on vehicles for over 15 years, and never once had a electrical issue in all the modded vehicles that we have, because we know what we're doing, but we don't like to promote it. We don't like to tell people how to do electrical for a lot of stuff because of the risk. Because if you don't know what you're doing and you watch a video like mine that's not a full how-to guide, you guys can cause some serious damage. So make sure you learn how to wire up stuff. All right, and as you can see, it's super bright. Depending on the angle you're looking at, we still need to mount it up better. We're gonna fully mount it on our bar setup here. Certain angles, it's not as bright. But then certain angles, it is. So you're gonna wanna really make sure you angle it right. Keep in mind, this is during the daytime, and it's that bright during the daytime. This is how it looks off. So that's how it looks once it's off. And you can turn on the red. Again, we don't have it wired up fully yet because we're still testing it. So let's show you guys the red during the daytime. It's like a red pinkish type color. All right. So we're using our other camera. You guys can see from the angle, the light bar with it off. We turn it on. Lights up our entire garage. Super bright. We don't have it positioned where we want it yet. We're gonna have it right above our other lights. But you guys get an idea. We drop it down to the red. You can see it's more pink, I would say, than any other color. So you can see the idea of it, but overall, very nice. You got your off switch, so you can turn it off. But again, super bright. I'm very happy with the light bar. Now you can see how bright it is. Give an idea here. We're gonna get a different angle. So we're using our other camera. You guys can see from the angle, the light bar with it off. We turn it on. Lights up our entire garage. super, super bright. We don't have it positioned where we want it yet. We're gonna have it right above our other lights. But you guys get an idea. We drop it down to the red. You can see it's more pink, I would say, than any other color.